So do you have a JL Wrangler or a JT and have the sad little headlight here on the front of it? And Jeep loves to throw Easter eggs back to 1941, but did it have to be a headlight? So unless you have the LED package on your Wrangler, you got those dismal little candles and sometimes you wonder if the wind blows, are they gonna blow out? Because quite frankly, they're horrible by any standard. So our friends at Oxedo sent us a set of these to put in our Wrangler because, well, they even know how bad they are too, so they got a solution for you. So it's just a replacement for your factory bulb. So you'll just pull out your factory bulb and replace it with this LED. And in typical fashion, LEDs, they gotta have a fan to cool, and it's all built into the body here. I've had some older ones of these, some of the early revisions of the LEDs, and they had an external fan, and these are a nice tight little package. So you'll see here how much brighter the two are. So this one here is the factory bulb, and you can see how dismal it is, versus the Oxedo LED. There's no comparison of the two. I think it's got the similar brightness as an LED package setup. But you don't have to replace the whole housing. You just pull out the bulb and put that in. It makes the install, I'll say, fairly easy. So direct replacement, the pamphlet says 24-month warranty with all the support. So I'll leave a link for these in the descriptions below. I wouldn't be putting these out if I didn't think they would last. Now granted, I haven't ran these for 24 months. We just put them in. They seem to be working good. Time will tell, but so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. And if you want to get a pair of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. Think they're below $100, but you know, reach out and get a set of these for your JL or JT. If you don't have the LED package, well, there you go. So make sure you adjust those headlights down a little bit so they're not right in everybody's eyes, because you will get told you're #1 driver. So check out these Oxedo LED replacements, and we'll see you here for the next adventure.